good to acquire a condo unit or housing for renting purposes.
At the end of the day, we just have to do the math. So for example, here in Davao City, kung meron kang bibilihin na condo dito, approximately yung pricing ngayon sa isang studio unit is mga 4 million pesos. Average rental rate dito is aabot siya ng 25,000 pesos per month for a studio unit. 25,000 times 12, that's 300,000 pesos in a year. Para malaman natin yung kanyang rental yield, what we have to do is just divide the 300,000 pesos sa total contract price na 4 million pesos. Aabot yan siya ng mga 7.50%. You still have to pay for cleaning fees, operational fees, condo dues. So we're just talking about the gross. Para madali lang yung math. The question that you have to ask yourself is, are you happy with the rental yield? In this particular example, 7.50%. If the answer is yes, then okay, kukuha ka ng condo. It makes sense. Some people would say, ayoko, parang hindi siya worth it. Why? Because there are other investment platforms out there, tulad ng Pag-ibig MP2, or if you build your own business, na yung kita mo, yung yield mo is way bigger than 7.50%. So if that's the case, then the answer for that person is no. But for some people naman, okay lang sa kanila because that's how they want it to be. But if your strategy naman is ganito, sir, temporarily, I'm going to have it rented out. But the value of that property ay aakyat eh. If you sell it at a profit, like i-flip mo siya, then mas mag-make sense pa rin.